Anushka Choudhury from MSM4, Department of English and Literary Studies, Brainware University. Our department offers multiple facilities starting from translation studies to communication and public speaking skills, which helps one to flourish their career in the professional sector. Translation studies is one of the area which is very much emerging in the contemporary world these days, and the department is very enriched to prepare individuals to enter that contemporary world with such amenities. Further, the department also facilitates the students to learn about the digital age and facilitates them with the digital skills as well that might come handy in the corporate world. So with the help of these skills that are provided by our Department of English and Literary Studies in Brainware University, I have managed to bag a job at Amazon, and for this I would like to immensely thank my department as well as Brainware University. Further, I would like to encourage my juniors to utilize these facilities to flourish their careers in the corporate world as well. Thank you.